the sun is shining for the first time. God, such a Grinch, I swear. Y'all, I didn't know I was about to take off on a road trip with a Grinch. He forgot to put his green paint on this morning though. It's to Durango, Colorado. I'm so excited. This is like one of the things I've been looking the most forward to out of the whole trip, because we have so many things we're gonna do in the area. Durango's gonna be like our hub. Y'all, that was such a better experience than the last time we pulled the Airstream through a mountain pass. I'm so thankful that the snow was melting, the roads were clear, and the sun was shining. Good morning. This is always my little morning friend. She always gets up with me. You're my little coffee buddy. Well, I'm the first one up. I've turned into the one who always wakes up first lately. So, but Jared has been dealing with like a lot of fatigue, so I always just try to let him sleep if he's sleeping good. So, and he doesn't always sleep good at night because of his neck pain and stuff. But anyways, so it's always me and little sissy cat. Pisca gets in bed with Jared and they go back to sleep. So we get up and we have our coffee and we read the news. And this morning I was actually working on videos. So that's what I've been doing. Yeah. Just taking it easy. The sun just came up over the ridge line and hit us. I'm so thankful. It feels so good now. It's so cold when you're down in these holes. But anyways, yeah. So we're gonna go explore Durango, see what we can get into. I'm excited. It's sunny. So thankful for sunshine. Look, I'm a rainy day girl. I love gloomy days. I love the rain. I love it. But I'm telling y'all, after so long, it gets to you. Okay, really? Seriously? Can you stop? Please? Look, stop. Stop biting my camera. Stop it. You're coming after it. Gosh, she's such a little stinker. So yeah, I'm just gonna probably have some more coffee and wash the dishes and maybe get Pisgah and Jared up here in just a little bit. We make the couch kind of like pull out into the bed because it gives Pisgah like more room at nighttime, and we all usually pile up together and watch like a movie or something, and so it makes lounging a little bit easier. If you've ever camped in an Airstream, especially a smaller one, you know space is not just free. It's, yeah. So we pull the couch out, make it into a bed. It can be so rude when we go on walks. I'm going to take her to the dog park and let her exercise because she's got a lot of pent-up energy. She's not been playing as much, and we haven't hiked as much in the last week or so, and she is just being crazy. Pisgah is literally obsessed with dog parks. Anytime she knows there's one, she drags me all the way there. She thinks they're the coolest thing ever. What? She's funny.
Probably election interference. Look, the viewers should know, Harris, that so many of these claims